So this is the one more example of finite group. If you have the elements of 1 and minus 1, look at this. This is the group G, where we have the elements 1 and minus 1. So how we can find, how we can satisfy all the properties of group? Look at this Cayley table. How we can make this Cayley table? In the set, given the operation is dot, so write your dot operation is here and write your elements in a sequence. So first element is 1 and the next one is minus 1. In this column, put this first element is 1 and the next one is minus 1. So our operation is multiplication. So 1 is multiplied by 1, so resultant element is 1. So 1 is multiplied by 1, so resultant value is minus 1. And the minus 1 is multiplied by 1, so resultant value is minus 1, and similarly this is 1. So all these elements are of the set, so we can say it satisfies the property of closure and associativity. So now the next property is identity. So what about the identity in this Cayley table? So check where is your identity element, that is 1. So in the first row, so 1 is here and 1 is here, and in this column 1 is the only elements. When we multiply this 1, it gives 1 and it gives again minus 1 in the sequence of set. So 1 is our identity. And how we can find the inverse of this 1 and minus 1? So we have already circled this 1. So when we operate 1 to 1, so it gives 1. So identity is 1 for inverse is 1, and inverse of minus 1 is, when minus 1 and minus 1 is operating, it gives 1. So inverse of minus 1 is minus 1. So this is our Cayley table. One more example for Cayley table. If you have a group G, when we have the elements 1, minus 1, iota and minus iota. In this group we have 4 elements and the operation is multiplication. So how we can make this Cayley table for this group? So here I am writing the operation, that is multiplication, and all the elements in this row, that is 1, minus 1, iota and minus iota. In the column again 1, minus 1, iota and minus iota. After operating, it gives all these elements. So most important thing is how we can find the identity. So for the identity, look at all these elements. So 1 is the only elements. When we multiply this 1, minus 1, iota and minus iota, it gives all these elements in the sequence. First is minus 1, 1, minus 1, iota and minus iota. One more thing, if you see कि मे बी आइडेंटिटी माइनस 1 होगी, तो माइनस 1 से जब आप मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हो तो ऑल दीज एलिमेंट्स तो आ रहे हैं साइड्स के, बट उस सीक्वेंस में नहीं आ रहे जिस सीक्वेंस में हमारे पास एलिमेंट्स हैं. सो जब भी हम कभी आइडेंटिटी की बात करते हैं तो लिखते हैं कि a डॉट ई विच इज़ इक्वल टू a. सो 1 इज़ द ओनली एलिमेंट्स. जब हम किसी को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो अगेन वही एलिमेंट्स हमारे पास आएंगे. सो मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज़, द नेक्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी इज़ इनवर्स. हाउ वी कैन फाइंड द इनवर्स? बाय Cayley टेबल. So 1 is the identity. Mark all the 1 elements in the row. So first is 1. When 1 is operating 1, so inverse of 1 is 1. The next one is, where is 1? When minus 1 is operating by minus 1, it gives 1. So minus 1 inverse is minus 1. Similarly, iota is multiplied by minus iota, it gives 1. So inverse of iota in this case is minus iota, and minus iota is multiplied by 1, so it gives 1. So minus iota's inverse is iota. Oh, I hope this is understandable for you.